for this, make sure that the fill and stroke are set to default. You can press D on the keyboard. We're going to draw a rectangle. Now we are going to find the eraser tool, which is right here. If you hover over on it, you can see there's the eraser tool and the scissors tool. The eraser tool does not work how you might expect. What the eraser tool does is it will erase the path and redraw the shape. So if I want to redraw the edge here with the eraser tool, if I drag around and I just kind of go like this, you'll see it has redrawn the path. If I drag straight through this shape, again, you can see it's redrawn the path. Next, I am going to switch to the scissors tool. The scissors tool is like cutting a thread on the different parts. So if I cut right here and I cut right here on the path, I can now drag this out and you can see it has cut this. If I swap the fill and the stroke on either of these shapes, you can see it's like cutting where that path is, and it allows me to cut the shape. What I want you to do is explore with the scissors and rectangle tool. I want to show you something else that you can do. I have drawn this rectangle. I am going to choose my eraser tool. And I want you to look on your keyboard and find the letter P. Next to the P is a bracket. If you press that button, you will see my cursor, the circle is shrinking. If you press the bracket to the right of that one and you press it, you can see my bracket or my circle is getting bigger. What I want you to do is go to the rectangle and use the eraser tool to erase a path. Make it a little bit bigger. Make it a little bit bigger. And just kind of see how the eraser tool can make this, can cut or reshape these shapes. I'm going to make straight lines by holding the Shift key. If I press Shift and drag, you will see it is perfectly straight. I can swap out the colors, and you can see there's my eraser tool. Take some time, use the eraser tool. You need to draw a shape and have multiple cuts through it or redrawings through it using the eraser tool, and you can use the scissor tool as well.